Massa. Hey, this one, who have to comment about this? How can a goat to be eating hot like this? A whole goat? Nah. Hey. No. Life at Atibo with Jacob. Hey.